Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Pinterest boards or simply want to remove a pin that's no longer relevant, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to delete a pin on Pinterest, making it easy and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once it's loaded, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are stored. Next, look for the Pins tab. It's usually located near the top of your profile page. Tap on it, and you'll see a collection of all the pins you've saved over time. Scroll through your pins until you find the one you want to delete. Once you've found the pin you want to remove, tap on it to open it. You'll see a few options on the screen, but what you're looking for is the three dots icon. This is typically located in the top right corner of the pin. Tap on those three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Pin. This will bring up the editing screen for your selected pin. Here, you'll notice a delete icon, usually represented by a trash can or the word delete. Tap on the delete icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete this pin. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, then tap Delete to confirm your choice. And that's it. The pin will be removed from your profile and boards. This process is quick, straightforward, and ensures you maintain a Pinterest profile that truly reflects your interests and style. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.